Good morning, dear students. Hope you will be safe and fine and doing well in this lockdown. You may be curious to know that who am I? Let me introduce myself. I am Tasneem Jahan, your new English teacher. This is my first experience to teach anyone, but unfortunately this is via online. We can't meet up face to face. But anyway, learning should never be stopped. What is the situation? We should follow our rules strictly. Okay? Let's start our chapter. The name of the chapter is 3 questions. Before going into the lesson, let me ask some question to you. Because this is about question. This chapter is about question. You may be having some questions in your mind that when this lockdown will be over, when we will be able to enjoy our live classes, and when we will be free as we used to live before the month of March. Okay? Everybody is having these types of questions in their mind. So this chapter is also related to the questions. This question comes into the mind of a king. The king was very much curious to save his kingdom for long time. So for this he has some questions in his mind, because he was thinking that if he will know these things, if he will know the right answers of these questions, he will be a good king, and his kingdom will be for long time. So the first question is that what is the right time to begin something? And what is the second question? Which people should he listen to? And the third and last question is that what is the most important thing for him to do? The king made an announcement that those who will be able to give this answer, he will give him a plenty of amount. Okay? So many wise men came forward to answer the king, but they couldn't satisfy the king because their answers are so different. Let us come to know about their answers. In answer of the first question, what is the right time to begin something? Some said that king must have a timetable so that he will do everything on a proper time. But some says that we can't predict anything, that what will happen in future. How we can predict that in future these things will take place. Okay? Then for this second question, which people should he listen to? What was the second question? Which people should he listen to? And in reply to that, what people said? Some said that king must have some counselors. Some says that king have priest with him, and others who are giving importance to the health, they are saying that king must have a doctor with him so that they will be careful for his health. And for the last question, what is the most important thing for him to do? What the people said? Also again, people came with many ideas. Some says that king must do work on science. Others says that for the welfare of his kingdom, king must to do work on fighting and war and other soldier work. Okay, and some religious people came with the idea that performing religious virtues are the most important and good thing for king. So king never satisfied. King king become confused. Then what he say? What he did? He didn't reward any person, and he decided to go and meet a priest who was famous for his wisdom. When the king reached to that hermit, what he was doing? He was busy in bed digging. King asked to him his questions, these 3 questions, but hermit didn't reply. But he was busy in his own work. So king stand there waiting. King started waiting. Then after some time, when king realized that the hermit is very much tired, then what he said? He asked for the king. Hermit gave his spade to the king. King also started digging the bed, and he does very hard work till the sun set. Then after completing his work, he again repeated his question to the hermit. But suddenly a wounded man came. There was a big wound in his stomach, and it was bleeding. Then what king does? King started dressing. He saved that person, helped him, and saved his life. Then with the help of that hermit, he took him into the hut. He took him into the hut and made arrangement for his sleeping. When that person woke up, he urged to the king to forgive him. Why? Because he came with the intention to kill the king in revenge of his brother who was killed by king, and his all property was seized by king. That's why he wanted to take revenge. But king saved his life, so now he wants to become his friend. Seeing the change of his intimacy into the friendship, king was very much happy. Then again he asked his questions to the hermit for the last time. But what the hermit replied? He said that you were already answered. Then king surprised. Why? How I am answered? Then priest told him that when he came, I was busy in digging. At that time, what you did, you realized that I am tired and you helped me. Okay? And you helped me at that time. So what is the right time to begin something is the time. What is the time? That is, the time is right now. Right now. Because why? Because we are having the power to do something at the right time only. We can't say that in future we will be able to do this thing or not. And for the second answer question, which people should he listen to? What the hermit replied? He replied that when the wounded man came and he was asking for help, you listen to him. So, in a particular time with whom we are, that is the most important person to listen. Is he listen? Okay, we should listen with the person with whom we are at the right now in a particular moment. For the last question, what is the most important thing for him to do? Hermit says that you helped that wounded person when he was needy. So, what is the right answer to this question is to do good things and right thing for a person. Okay, so this is the most important thing for him to do, is doing good work or right things with other people. Okay, it was all about the chapter. 3 questions. What were that 3 questions? And what are the right answers? We came to know through this overview of the chapter. Okay, before leaving the class, I want to give you some follow-up activities. Hope you will do it. This activity is that who is the writer of this chapter, and what are the 3 questions and their answers. Okay, it was all about for today's class. Inshallah, in next class we will discuss. I will explain this chapter line by line. Hope you will find that interesting and informative. Bye. Thank you.